How are you today?
I am fine today.
What did you eat today?
I ate rice and vegetables.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
What are you doing now?
I am talking now.
Are you busy today?
No, I am not busy.
What is your plan today?
I will study English.
Did you exercise today?
Yes, I exercised.
Did you drink water?
Yes, I drank water.
Are you tired?
A little tired.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you brush your teeth early?
Yes, I brush early.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
Do you read news?
Yes, I read news.
Do you go for a walk?
Sometimes I walk.
Do you check your phone first?
Yes, I check my phone.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music.
Are you happy in the morning?
Yes, I am happy.
Where do you study or work?
I study at college.
What subject do you like?
I like English.
Who is your best teacher?
Mr. Sharma is my best teacher.
Do you like your class?
Yes, I like my class.
What time is your class?
My class is at 10 a.m.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have homework.
What did you learn today?
I learn new words.
Do you like exams?
No, I don't like exams.
Who is your best friend there?
Ram is my best friend.
Is your work easy or hard?
It is a little hard.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ram.
How long have you known me?
For 2 years.
Do you like group study?
Yes, I like group study.
Do you help friends?
Yes, I help friends.
Do you like making new friends?
Yes, I like new friends.
Who talks more, you or me?
You talk more.
Do you trust your friends?
Yes, I trust them.
Do you meet friends daily?
Yes, I meet daily.
Do you call friends at night?
Sometimes I call.
Are friends important?
Yes, very important.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I live with parents.
Who cooks at home?
My mother cooks.
Do you help your family?
Yes, I help.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one brother.
Who is closest to you?
My mother is closest.
Do you eat together?
Yes, we eat together.
Do you watch TV together?
Yes, we watch TV.
Do you travel with family?
Sometimes we travel.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is momo.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I like rice.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
Do you cook?
Sometimes I cook.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes I eat fast food.
What did you eat yesterday?
I ate noodles.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I like sweets.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I like tea.
Are you veg or non-veg?
I like non-veg.
Do you drink juice?
Yes, I drink juice.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you dance?
Sometimes I dance.
Do you sing?
No, I don't sing.
Do you draw?
Yes, I draw.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch YouTube.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Where did you go last time?
I went to Pokhara.
Do you prefer bus or bike?
I like bike.
Do you like mountains?
Yes, I like mountains.
Do you like cities?
Yes, I like cities.
Have you been on a plane?
No, not yet.
Do you like long trips?
Yes, I like long trips.
Do you prefer beach or hills?
I like hills.
Who do you travel with?
I travel with friends.
What is your dream country?
My dream country is Japan.
Do you use WhatsApp?
Yes, I use WhatsApp.
How many hours are you online?
About 3 hours.
Do you play mobile games?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you use Android or iPhone?
Android.
Do you watch YouTube daily?
Yes, daily.
Do you use Instagram?
Yes, I use Instagram.
Do you like online classes?
Yes, I like online classes.
Do you shop online?
Sometimes I shop online.
Do you prefer laptop or phone?
Phone.
What is your favorite app?
YouTube.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I exercise daily.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink milk.
Do you sleep 8 hours?
Yes, I sleep 8 hours.
Do you eat fruits?
Yes, I eat fruits.
Do you walk daily?
Yes, I walk daily.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I am healthy.
Do you like yoga?
Yes, I like yoga.
Do you get sick often?
No, not often.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink enough water.
Do you rest well?
Yes, I rest well.
What is your favorite movie?
Avatar.
Who is your favorite actor?
Shah Rukh Khan.
What is your favorite song?
Shape of You.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Do you like comedy?
Yes, I like comedy.
Do you prefer horror or action?
Action.
Do you watch series?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you prefer cinema or home?
Home.
Do you like cartoons?
Yes, I like cartoons.
What is the best movie you saw?
Avengers.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is teacher.
Where do you want to live?
I want to live in city.
Do you want a car?
Yes, I want a car.
Do you want to travel abroad?
Yes, I want to travel abroad.
What skills do you want?
I want English skills.
Do you want to start a business?
Yes, I want business.
Do you want a big house or small house?
Big house.
Do you prefer city or village?
City.
What do you want to learn?
I want to learn English.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
A successful person.
Are you shy or bold?
A little shy.
Are you talkative?
Yes, I am talkative.
Are you lazy?
Sometimes lazy.
Are you friendly?
Yes, friendly.
Are you funny?
Yes, funny.
Are you punctual?
Yes, punctual.
Are you honest?
Yes, honest.
Are you emotional?
A little emotional.
Are you patient?
Yes, patient.
Are you confident?
Yes, confident.
What is your favorite color?
Blue.
What is your favorite season?
Winter.
Do you like dog or cat?
Dog.
Do you like morning or night?
Night.
Do you like rain or sun?
Rain.
Do you prefer shoes or slippers?
Shoes.
Do you like online or offline?
Online.
Do you like sweet or salty?
Sweet.
Do you prefer phone call or text?
Text.
Do you like summer or winter?
Winter.
What made you smile today?
My friend made me smile.
What did you learn today?
I learned English words.
What are you grateful for?
I am grateful for my family.
What was difficult today?
Homework was difficult.
What was fun today?
Talking with friends was fun.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will study tomorrow.
Who inspired you today?
My teacher inspired me.
What is new today?
I learned something new.
Do you have any good news?
Yes, good news.
How was your day?
My day was good.